Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll see how to undo or revert the commits which we make by mistake, and we'll see both the ways. Either the commits are done locally, or what if the changes are already pushed, and then how can we revert the changes. So we have a demo repository and it has a sample file. That's why we already have one commit present. And let's clone this one first. I'll just copy this. I come here. Okay, git clone. Okay, cool. We see into this repo. Okay, so right now y'all can see we have the sample file. It has this text. This is sample files. So let's start by making our first commit. We'll add line 1 here and we'll push it git add dot. We'll git commit minus m. We'll name it c1, which means commit 1, and it is showing m, which means modified, and the changes are present locally. We committed. Okay, so they are present on a local machine, like they are not pushed on the branch right now. We will make one more change. Let's just add line 2 here, and this also will add. We are not going to push anything right now. First, we'll see how we are able to revert the commits which are done locally. So this is how both the commits are gone. So let's see how this thing looks like, how many commits are done, and like kind of a history. So we need to use this command git log hyphen hyphen one line. Okay. So right now we can see. So this was how our original branch was. It was having initial content, which was the first commit. Then C1 and C2 are the commits which we made with line 1 and line 2 change. Let's see how we can remove the changes. So there are two ways. You all can see. We need to use this command git reset soft head tilde and 1. So what this will do, it will reset the first commit, first as in the one which was done, the most recent. And you all can see the changes are still present, and the line 2 change is present on my machine. And if we check the git log line again, we can see only one commit is present now. Initially, this was also there, so we have removed this thing. Now, there's what another one which is git reset hard, and if we use that one, it is gonna delete all the changes from our local machine as well. Right now, we can see the commit has been removed from the like the changes, but it's present on my machine, right? So if we use git reset hyphen hyphen hard, and again we use the same, and right now C1 changes there, right? So if we remove this one, so we are doing hard reset. So it is gonna clear all the changes which are present locally on our machine. So y'all can see this change is also removed. And if we check the log line now, it is pointing to the main branch, which was initially how it was looking like. So this is how the status looks like after the changes are reverted. Local changes are reverted. And we haven't pushed anything. So right now there's only initial commit which we made when we created the sample file. Okay. Now the most important part, what to do if the changes are already pushed. So let me just clear this out. Let's add these lines again. We will add line 1. We will just add it quickly. Git commit minus m c1 again. If we refresh this page, we are supposed to get two commits, and the line 1 change which we added is supposed to be present here. So this is pushed already, and this is committed, and it's present on a branch as well. Let's add this line 2 change as well. So I refresh this once again. There will be 3 commits, and the most recent commit is C2. And as you all can see, this is line 2 change. Okay. Now the most interesting part. So I'll just clear this out because we want to see how the log looks like. Git status, git log, one line. Okay, so it kind of looks similar to like this was the main, and then C1 was the line 1 change, C2 is the line 2 change. Now let's just revert the changes which were done in commit to C2. So for this, right now we won't be using git reset. We will be using another command because the changes are already pushed. So we need to use git reset and git. Sorry, my bad. It's not git reset. Git revert it is, and git revert doesn't have any soft or hard command. So it's only git revert. And one more thing is, last time we were using head. So in this git revert, we can use the hash ID as well. So I'll just copy this hash ID C2 and put it here. I'll enter, and this is the commit change. Like whatever the commit message, it's gonna be revert C2. So right now we just need to press shift, then that semicolon thingy, this one, and WQ we need to hit, and then we need to enter it. So one file change, two relations and whatever it is saying. So this change is reverted. So the C2 change is reverted. But the most important thing, now you all must be thinking, if we check the log line, so this needs to have been removed as per what we did on the initial one. And only these two are need to be present on the machine. But no, on branch, whenever we push, the changes are already gone. So it is actually, we are adding another commit, which is removing the changes. So if I show you all, there's gonna be one more commit, which is gonna say we have reverted this change C2. And there will be 4 commits now. And the most recent commit will be revert C2. Okay, my bad, I didn't push it yet. So we need to push it because then that's how it is gonna reflect on a branch as well. And see, now whatever the changes are present locally exactly should be visible on the branch as well. And see, these two changes need to be present, and we need, there will be 4 commits. The most recent commit has to be revert C2. Let's see how it looks like. So we can see 4 commits, which is saying revert C2 change, and in the sample txt we can see only line 1 change and line 2 is removed.